Hello everyone, welcome back to Rufus Science at YouTube channel. We are in day 23 of the Subsponges presentation. Basically, we are in day 82 of the nxtwave course. I completed all the tasks of today. Let's go to the scene and check it. Working with daytime module and it takes it. It has so many format and aggregators. Symbols. Let me show you that. We have to input data and its modules. We can import like this also from data input date, import data. It has so many formatting things. Small wafer here, but last 2 days on the capital wafer for a year with sensor percentage may short and not of month. Percentage capital B is full name of the month. Percentage and date. Percentage small day. Day of month of that is so many things. And then counter answer, revision combination, sense and combination, cumulative assessment, MCQ successful and coding that is also done. So you can check that coding solutions. Cumulative assessment, CQ 26 out of 30. There are CQ 26 marks. That's great. And then here I have CQ 19, I guess. Fourteen out of 16. That's good. That's it.